how to use salt and garlic to break free from every spiritual problem and start progressing and start getting financial breakthrough and start getting favor and start getting prosperity and start getting wealth, success, open doors, love. Anything you do, favor will follow you. Anything you do, progress will follow you. Your enemies will start being in trouble. Because when you do what I will teach you on this video, you will see your enemies fighting themselves. You will see your enemies being against each other. They will start scattering. They will start destroying each other. And with this, you will start experiencing favors in anything you do. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know how you can break free from every spiritual problem using garlic and salt. Like spiritual problem like bad luck, fighting your enemies, set backwardness, disappointment, wretchedness, barrenness, rising and falling. Yes, failures, everything, every bad thing that you do experience with today's video, by the grace of God, you will have a divine turnaround. You will have a divine transformation. So you are highly welcome. For those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel is all about spirituality. I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to defeat your enemies, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problem using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plants, natural roots, natural herbs, natural materials that God has created, harnessing their spiritual properties, spiritual energies, spiritual vibrations, frequencies in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. So if this is your first time of joining us, if this is your first time of coming in contact with this face, please do me a favor. Consider subscribing, like this video and share this video. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will get notified. And for those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my day one guy, my returning viewers, you know who you are. Those of you who has been patronizing me in money and in kind, those of you who has been supporting me, buying my spiritual materials, introducing me for people, those of you who has been calling me, talking what God is using me to do on here, may my God continue to bless you. And I have come today to tell you how you are going to break free from spiritual problems. And you know what spiritual problem is? Spiritual problem can be bad luck. It can be set backwardness. It can be eating in the dream. It can be all sorts of bad dreams. Aside from this, it can also be physical problems like bad luck, disappointment, failure, rising and falling, hatred. Your fellow human being, they will do something and they will achieve something. But when you do that same thing they are doing, you will experience bad luck, failure, famines. Even in that business that other people are doing and they are making sales, they are doing it, they are using it to put food on their children's table. They are using it to build house. But when you invest in that business, your own case will be a different case. But this that I'm going to share in this video, it can help you to break free from every problem. But it's all about prayers and your faith. Yes, it is only prayers and your faith that you can use salt and garlic to solve your problem. So number one ingredient you will be needing is salt. And everyone knows salt. It can be table salt, it can be brown salt, it can be cooking salt, it can be sea salt, it can be pink Himalayan salt. Any salt you have, use it in this spiritual recipe. The second item is your garlic. Yes, the second is garlic. These are the two ingredients that you will be needing to break free from every spiritual problem or spiritual bondage. And you know that salt will help you to eliminate negative energies. Salt is a natural purifier. Salt can help you to cleanse yourself, cleanse your environment. Salt can help you to stop bad dreams. Salt can help you to stop evil attack. Yes, the same thing applicable with this garlic. This garlic has the power to drive negative energy away. This garlic has the power to destroy spare. Yes, Garlic can help you to attract favors. Garlic can help you to break the hands of the evil ones in your life. So these are the two most powerful ingredients you need in this recipe. How can you use them to break out from your spiritual problem? It is very simple. Bring garlic, just 4 pieces from the bunch. You remove 4 pieces from the bunch. Yes. And you need to extract the juice of the garlic. You need to blend it and extract the juice of the garlic. Yes. When you blend 4 pieces of garlic, then you extract the juice from the garlic. You are not going to put the chaff. You only need the garlic juicy. Then this recipe is best done at night. Yes. When you have done everything you need to do for the day, this recipe is best done at night. When you are through taking your bath night, you will take your bath night. Then you cannot do this, because after doing this, you will not scrub your body. You will allow your body to dry. After you finish taking your normal bath at night with your soap, on that particular day, you bring out the garlic water, the garlic juicy that you have siphoned from the chaff, add it into a bucket, add a little salt to it. Okay? Then when you do that, you mix the 2 ingredients together, the juice from the garlic and the salt. After you taking your normal bath, then you start praying and start saying positive words. Any bad dream or any bad difficulties that I have experienced, you start canceling every bad dreams, every hardship you have been experiencing in your life. Start canceling it. Ask God that as you are using this salt and this garlic solution, let God prefer you through this. Through this, let God favor you. Through this, let God give you success. Let it remove black magic. Let it remove disappointment. Let it remove failure. Let it remove rising and falling. Let it remove hatred. As you are washing yourself with salt and garlic, let these 2 ingredients terminate every evil activities in your life. Let these 2 ingredients stop and expel every negative energies out of your body system, and so shall it be. You know what you are going through. Tell God that let these 2 ingredients, every causes, every foundational causes following you, let these 2 ingredients, by the reason of these 2 ingredients, as you are washing, oh Lord, let every causes by any man or any woman be removed from your life. Say everything that you don't want in your life, anything that you don't want in your life. Then after that, start confessing good words. Start pronouncing good things. Claim positive things. Tell God, let the road be open. Say you are favored. Say you are rich. You are prosperous. You will achieve success. Where others go and fail, you will go there and survive. Where they go and find it difficult, it shall be easy for you. Tell the God and the universe to open ways of richness, open ways of protection. Let them guide you. Let them guide your footstep. Let them protect your family. By the reason of this salt and garlic bath, let every spiritual problem, let every utterances or enchantment or against your life, every arrow, every evil arrow by any man or any woman, let it return back to sender to them. You use your water and take your bath. Do this 4 times in a week. This will end every spiritual problem, every oppressors of the devil, anything making you to feel uncomfortable. This will bring prosperity. This will bring open doors. This will bring good health to you, and so shall it be. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video. And don't forget, we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands, and a lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. Yes, my name still remains Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, we have our course breaking soap. We have the road opening soap. We have the anti-witchcraft soap. We have the back to sender soap. We have the harm me not soap. We have the spiritual cleansing bad detox. We have the equable plus detox, the anti-witchcraft movement dissolver, the moving object remover. Is something crawling all over your body? Are you experiencing moving object? Have you been to the doctors and they have consulted and they consult nothing, but you are dying slowly? Something is crawling all over your body. Something is sucking your blood, making you to feel reckless, making you to fall sick day and night. At night you are afraid that you are going to die. That thing want to take off your breath. I have the antidote to your problem. It is called Equable Plus Detox, the anti-witchcraft movement object remover, the moving object destroyer. This product is tested and trusted. We ship all part of the whole world: Europe, Asia, America, South America, with DHL, EMS, and FedEx. My number is +2347088136610, +2347088136610. That is my number. And if you need me to do anything for you spiritually, don't hesitate to call me. But remember, there is nothing free even in free time. In free land, there is no free food. Continue subscribing to my channel. Like this video and share it. You might be a soul saver to someone who is out there that need to solve his spiritual problem. Do this and God will bless you. See you in my next video. If you have any problem you need me to solve for you, don't hesitate to call me. God bless you and stay tuned. See you.